Hey guys, another gamer here. I'm going to show you how to play the lollipop Android version of Fluffy Bird without actually downloading it. Alright, here we go. Let's go to settings. You want to scroll down to where you see About Phone, then find Android version. You want to tap on that multiple times. There it is, and just tap, then hold your finger down on it, and then I'll do this. And now I can play Fluffy Bird. Well, Android Bird to be honest. This is the world's hardest game, I hope. Let's just suck that bad. One or the other. Damn! One. Oh, so close! That's just mean. Maybe it's in the tap. Maybe you just gotta tap it really slow. Nope, didn't work. Let's try again. Why? Oh my god, man. One day I'll get one. One day. I didn't even touch it. It barely even touching. What the heck, mate? Flappy Bird isn't even this hard. If Flappy Bird was this hard, nobody would download the game. This cannot be this hard. What is the problem? See? Too late. And too soon. Too late. Didn't even hit it. Wow, I was right there. If I would have hit it, I probably would have got past it. Yeah, I keep hitting it. 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Oh, I died again. That was laziness. Oh. Oh, you can hold it down? That's cool. Well, I'm doing better this way anyway. At least I'm getting there. Oh, I got one! I got one! Okay, I'm stuck while I'm still ahead.